Hey traders, today we are going to review another trading platform in this video. We welcome you to the next chapter in your financial journey, where the possibilities of trading in the global markets unfold before you with clarity and purpose. Let me introduce you to WealthInvest 24, the platform that's redefining what it means to trade in today's fast-paced world of forex and cryptocurrency. Picture this, you're stepping into the dynamic, ever-changing world of financial markets, where every decision counts and every trade has the potential to reshape your future. Whether you're navigating the traditional paths of forex trading or exploring the cutting-edge world of cryptocurrency, WealthInvest 24 is your trusted navigator, guiding you through every twist and turn with expertise and innovation. At the heart of WealthInvest 24 is its seamless integration of forex and cryptocurrency trading. Forex, the colossal market where global currencies are exchanged, meets the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies, digital assets that are transforming how we think about money and investments. WealthInvest 24 brings these two worlds together on one platform, giving you the power to explore, trade, and thrive in both. But it's not just about access, it's about the experience. Imagine a platform where every tool, every piece of data, and every market trend is presented with precision and clarity. WealthInvest 24 delivers real-time information and advanced analysis, empowering you to make informed decisions with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for advanced strategies or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, WealthInvest 24 is designed to meet you where you are and take you where you want to go. In the world of cryptocurrency, where prices can soar or dive in the blink of an eye, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. WealthInvest 24 is equipped with advanced algorithms and cutting-edge analytics that do just that, helping you anticipate market movements and make strategic decisions that put you ahead of the game. With powerful analytical tools, you can dissect market trends, study historical data, and identify key opportunities to maximize your gains. It's all about turning information into action and action into success. But WealthInvest 24 doesn't stop there. Let's talk about building your investment portfolio with precision and diversity. WealthInvest 24's innovative multi-account system is designed to give you the flexibility to tailor your investments to your unique goals and risk tolerance. Picture yourself diversifying your portfolio across multiple accounts, each aligned with different strategies, whether you're focused on steady long-term growth or ready to take on high-risk, high-reward opportunities. This multi-account approach isn't just about diversification, it's about precision in crafting a portfolio that truly reflects your financial ambitions. And now let's address something that's often on every trader's mind: fees. In a world where high fees can erode your hard-earned profits, WealthInvest 24 sets itself apart with a wallet-friendly fee structure. Designed with transparency and affordability at its core, WealthInvest 24 ensures that you keep more of what you earn. Every fee is clearly outlined, with no surprises, so you can trade with confidence, knowing that your financial well-being is a top priority. Finally, let's talk about ease of use. WealthInvest 24 isn't just powerful, it's also incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're navigating the platform for the first time or executing complex trades, you'll find the interface intuitive and straightforward. It's all about making your trading experience as smooth as possible, so you can focus on what truly matters: achieving your financial goals. So, as you embark on this exciting journey through the financial markets, remember that WealthInvest 24 is more than just a platform. It's your partner in navigating the complexities, your tool for mastering the markets, and your gateway to new financial horizons. Welcome aboard, and here's to your trading success with WealthInvest 24. Happy trading!